In the lush jungle, there are no lions to rule the land. There are only hundreds of trees, hiding a secret that defies nature. These are the carnivorous plants, the hunters of the green world. Carnivorous plants are plants that have a taste for meat, especially insects, but sometimes they also snack on snails, lizards, or even small mammals. Talk about a balanced diet. There are about 600 species of carnivorous plants, the most famous being the Venus flytrap, Dionaea muscipula. The Venus flytrap has 2 lobes on each leaf that snap shut like a mouth when they feel a bug on their surface. The lobes then spit out digestive juices that melt the prey. Yum! Some carnivorous plants have pitchers that are like cups with lids. The pitchers have sweet or smelly stuff that attracts the prey inside, where they fall into a pool of liquid. The liquid has digestive stuff or bacteria that eat the prey. They are like nature's soup makers. Some carnivorous plants are lianas, which are vines that climb on other plants or things. One example of a liana is Triphyophyllum peltatum, which has 3 stages in its life cycle. In the first stage, it grows normal leaves. In the second stage, it grows long, sticky leaves that catch insects. In the third stage, it grows flowers and fruits. It's like a plant version of puberty. Some carnivorous plants share their home with friendly bacteria that help them digest their food. For example, the tropical pitcher plant, Nepenthes, has a good relationship with a kind of mosquito, Wyomia smithi, that lays its eggs in the pitcher fluid. The mosquito babies eat the trapped insects and poop out nitrogen-rich waste that helps the plant. It's like having a pet that cleans up after you. Some carnivorous plants can eat reptiles and small mammals. For example, Attenborough's pitcher plant, Nepenthes attenboroughi, is one of the biggest of all carnivorous plants, and it can trap rodents in its huge pitchers. The plant has a slippery rim that makes the prey fall into the pitcher, where it drowns in a pool of digestive liquid. It's like having a giant blender. Carnivorous plants are plants that eat animals, mainly insects, by trapping them in different ways. They have about 600 species, such as the Venus flytrap, which snaps its leaves shut, and the pitcher plant, which drowns its prey in a tube. Some carnivorous plants are vines that change their leaves over time. Carnivorous plants digest their prey with fluids, acids, and proteins, or with the help of bacteria.